Welcome, little explorers, to a magical world of fruits.
Hi kids, I'm Fruity, your adventurous guide to the world of fruits. Are you ready for a fruitylicious journey? Our first stop is the orchard, where we meet the A of fruit, the apple.
Hi everyone, I'm Apple and I'm crisp, sweet and full of vitamins.
Now let's go bananas over to the B of fruit, the banana. I'm Banana, the perfect snack for energy. Meet the citrus family, orange, lemon and lime.
I'm Orange, we're bursting with vitamin C to keep you healthy. Lemon, I'm rich in vitamin C, aids digestion, freshens breath, and promotes healthy skin. It's a zesty addition to any diet for overall well-being.
Let's join the berry party with blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry.
I'm packed with antioxidants, boosts brain health, supports heart health, and is a tasty way to stay fit and vibrant. A tiny berry, big benefits. Now it's the Torn with strawberry.
I'm Strawberry, with a sweet tone, shares its advantages. Full of vitamin C, aids digestion, promotes radiant skin, and is a delicious way to enjoy health. A red gem for overall wellness.
Now it's time to the grapes. Grapes, the fruity gems, are like nature's candy. Bursting with sweetness, they're a small, juicy pop of fun. Perfect for snacking, picnics, and turning grape juice into purple mustaches. Now to the next friend, watermelon.
Watermelon, the ultimate summer buddy, is like a hydrating burst of happiness. Juicy, crisp, and big enough to share with friends. It's the ultimate picnic star and slice of pure joy.
Now let's go to the kiwi.
Kiwi, the quirky little globe-trotter of fruits, is an explosion of tangy green goodness. With tiny black seeds and a vibrant taste, it's a tropical adventure in every bite.
Meet my friend cherries.
Cherries, the vibrant pop of red happiness, are like nature's sweet confetti. Bursting with flavor, they turn any moment into a cherry-on-top celebration. Grab a handful and let the fun begin.
Now the next fruity is the hero of fruitus.
Pears, the unassuming superheroes of fruits, are the unsung champions of juiciness and delicate sweetness. They may not wear capes, but every bite feels like a heroic taste adventure.
Say hello, our friend avocado.
Avocado, the cool and creamy superstar, is like a green hug for your taste buds. With a buttery texture and subtle taste, it's a deliciously trendy and nutritious addition to any meal.
The next friend is the pumpkin cozy pies.
Pumpkin, the plump and playful giant of the gourd family, is like a warm autumn hug. It's the star of pumpkin spice everything, carving fun and cozy pies.
Now to the tropical sensation, our friend pineapple.
Pineapple, the tropical sensation, is like a sweet sunshine explosion. Its spiky exterior hides a world of juicy goodness. Close your eyes, take a bite, and sail to paradise.
My dear friends, our adventure with fruits has ended, but there is still a magical fruit that we left for the end, a fruit from legends. Let's welcome the dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, the whimsical wonder of fruits, is like a fairy tale treasure. With its vibrant, scaly exterior and a subtly sweet speckled flesh, it's a magical journey for your taste buds, inviting you to explore the mystical flavors of the tropics.
My dear friends, our journey ends here. Thanks for watching, and we will meet on another adventure with new friends.